What if you could earn money, even while you sleep? What if the path to financial freedom didn't require you to invent a product, build a factory, or manage a team? What if all you needed was a connection, a voice, and the right strategy? This isn't a fantasy. This is the power of affiliate marketing. It's a simple idea that has changed countless lives. You find a product or a service you genuinely believe in. You share it with your audience, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. It's that straightforward. You're not just selling. You're becoming a trusted guide, helping people discover solutions they need and getting rewarded for it. Think of programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. They're all waiting for people just like you, so how do you start from absolute zero? First, pick a niche. Don't overthink it. What do you love talking about? Is it fitness, gaming, sustainable living, or maybe even your favorite books? Whatever it is, that's your starting point. Next, join an affiliate program that fits your niche. It's usually free and takes just a few minutes. Then, the most important step, create content. Not sales pitches, but valuable, helpful content. Write a blog post, film a review, create a tutorial. Show people how the product solves a real problem. Add your affiliate link naturally. And finally, be patient. Success won't happen overnight. Every video, every post, every interaction is a brick you're laying for the foundation of your business. Let's be real for a moment. This journey isn't always easy. You will face challenges. You'll create content that gets 0 views. You'll share links and no one will click. You'll look at your empty dashboard and think, is this even working? You will doubt yourself. But here is the secret they don't always tell you. The key isn't the link. It's trust. People don't buy from random links. They buy from people they trust. So your mission is to build that trust. Be honest. Only promote what you'd recommend to a friend. Create content that genuinely helps people, whether they buy or not. Stay consistent even when the results are slow. That's how you turn clicks into community and browsers into buyers. Think this is just for the lucky few? Think again. Meet Pat Flynn. He was an architect who lost his job during a recession. He started a simple blog to help people pass an exam he'd taken. He shared affiliate links to the study guides he used. Within months, he earned his first $8,000. Today, that small blog has become a passive income empire. Or consider Michelle Schroeder Gardner. She started a personal finance blog called Making Sense of Cents to document her own journey out of debt. She shared the tools and services that helped her. Today, she earns over $100,000 a month, mostly from affiliate marketing, all while traveling the world in an RV. None of these people were born with a silver spoon. They weren't lucky. They just started small with what they had and they refused to give up. The hardest part of this entire journey isn't learning the tactics or finding the right program. The hardest part is quieting the voice in your head that says you can't do it. It's believing that you right now have what it takes. You don't need a huge following. You don't need a budget. You just need to start with one niche, one product, one piece of helpful content. Because the moment you stop waiting and start sharing your value with the world is the moment your entire life begins to change. Your business that works while you sleep isn't a distant dream. It's a decision. Make it today. Thanks for watching. If this inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you build the life you deserve.